Welcome to Pick Your Best One, your true product review friend.
Today, I am back once again with another product review. And we have picked CM205FN Coating Thickness Gauge for today's review video. We provide the product buying link of CM205FN Coating Thickness Gauge in the video description. Please check it out. Are you looking for a device to measure paint coating thickness with great precision? Then CM205FN can be your best choice. Features like big backlit display, high accuracy, automatic detection, with professional output make it a quality competitor. Let's check the features of CM205FN Coating Thickness Gauge. Feature 1, Large Display with Backlit Function. The CM205FN was designed to have a large display of 2.2 inch that will make it easier for user while measuring their paint coating. It also has a nice backlight, which makes reading the screen much more enjoyable and easy on your eyes, especially if you are trying to enjoy this device in outdoor conditions. Feature 2, High Accuracy and Usability. This new thickness gauge, unlike other models on the market, is able to accurately measure surfaces of any shape including concave, rough and convex. The device is very lightweight to carry and fits your hand comfortably. It also features large buttons for those who wear gloves while working with the instrument. Feature 3, All the device parameters. CM205FN Coating Thickness Gauge is the best surface detector for your needs. This device features an automatic shutdown function, accuracy of plus or minus 3%, and is able to detect both ferrous, iron substrates, as well as non-ferrous aluminum. The digital LCD display on the front means you can see it clearly from any angle, while measuring precision ranges up to 0 to 1500 micrometers, or 0 to 59.1 millimeters in size, with resolution 0.1 micrometers or 0.01 millimeters. Let's check the benefits of CM205FN Coating Thickness Gauge. Benefit 1. Reliability and durability. This advanced measuring sensor is made of a strong, yet durable steel material, coated with Teflon for better protection and durability. It works with high precision in all types of weather conditions, which include temperatures up to 104 Fahrenheit, as well as extreme humidity and gas contamination. Benefit 2. Professional assistant and automatic indication. This thickness gauge doesn't need to guess what kind of metal it's measuring. The device automatically detects magnetic or non-magnetic metals and chooses the appropriate measurement principle based on its type, all in a matter of seconds. Benefit 3. Always ready to use in all working temperature with high speed. The thickness gauge is a small, handheld device that can measure the thickness of any sample in seconds. The only requirement necessary to use this tool effectively on samples is for them to be within 25 to 60 degrees Celsius range, because it will not work greatly outside these temperatures. This is a handy and compact tool that can quickly measure the thickness of any metal surface. The device can be used for determining the average thickness of paint on cars, which are important in automotive and manufacturing industries alike. It's often used by professionals, as well as amateurs, for their professional work, like checking the body in workshops, paint shops and so on.